What's up, guys? So I'm building this box here. It's going to be like a dovetailing box. I'll put the moxon vise that I built forever ago on this end over here, and then I'll cross brace it and then do alder for the top so that I can have a soft top on it. But if you notice, it's built to where it flushes with my table so that I can mount it to the top of my workmate, and then it'll just be another 30-inch extension on my whole overall workbench when I need a bigger surface area. And a moxon vise setup that can be mounted and unmounted. Here's it all put together. So we got the front where the vise will go. So all the cross members, once it, well, I don't even need to wait for it to glue up. I'm probably going to start putting the top on here soon. Keep it all squared up, but that's the structure. So it's a good strong torsion box. All right, guys, let's talk about this thing. So this big walnut is going to be the solid piece of the vise jaw. Then this will be the moxon. Comes in and out right off that. Let me put this over here. So underneath, we've got the supports like I showed you earlier, but I added this ring around like this, and that's going to give me areas that I can drill holes through, cut holes through, whatever, and make like clamping surfaces. Right now it probably weighs about 25-30 pounds. Probably weigh about 40 when I'm done. So I figured out part of the mounting for this extension. So I got a little apron grabby cleat thing here, a cleat here for this clamping system to grab onto, then one on side here with reliefs for these. So it just drops down. And then I can crank it in place once it's in line. Dang it. All right. See it goes clear. So I can tighten it. And now it's sturdy to this top. It's not going anywhere. So that part's taken care of. Now for when I want to put it on the bench, got these reliefs cut for clamps. That's why I put those flat bottom surfaces in yesterday. So now a clamp can go in there and grab in. So yeah, I think that should take care of it. I mean, if I need to make some modifications, I'll make some modifications. But other than, oh, so check it out. This guy right here, I got it all done. Now that I know the exact size I want, look how pretty it is. Oh, let's go. And then I'm just going to use, I think I just tossed it to the side or maybe accidentally cut it, but I'm just going to use like a little flat scrap piece of beech for, I'm going to do a top moxon here. It'll just be with some clamp, like I'll do some inserts here and here, and then it'll just bolt down so I can hold my work this way. And then this will be a big boy, actual real moxon vise setup on this side that is nice and sturdy. This is going to be the setup for this top little vise thing. Got these M6 nut or bolts with these M6 inserts. This is a, what size is this? There we go, 5/16 for the insert, and then a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch is slightly bigger than the M6. That's 6 millimeter. And then springs to hold it up. Anyways, top vise thing is done. I use this piece of maple because it's pretty. So underneath, let's see, I got a spring holding it up. There's a set screw in here so that I can just completely remove this when I just want to use it as the table extension. But say I'm doing some dovetailing, I can tighten that down to it, clamp it up, and now it's stuck. Or I can move it off to the edge. If I've got my dovetails done, I'll have the moxon vise on and I can transfer my pins over